Welcome everybody, my name is Chrissy and this is Living Tropically. My channel focuses on everything reviews, fashion, lifestyle, especially specific to Florida because I have moved here. It's been 2 years now. Please consider subscribing if you like things of that nature. I also do like food reviews, trips, all kinds of that fun stuff, just generally things that are going on, and also lots of hauls. So this is the point of the video right now, and the first thing I do want to talk about was this little mini bag that I got from my mom. Made it. I thought this was just too adorable. It was shipped from overseas, but I got it during a sale, and then I was able to basically get it for what it costs and not have to pay considerable like tax or shipping because of the discounts. So that was awesome. It is just so adorable. I adore it. It has a little zipper opening. There's no pockets on the inside, but was so cute. And they actually did end up sending this fragrance a car tag, which was really cute as well. So thank you so much for that. Was adorable. But I think this was like 59 bucks. This was a splurge purchase because I fell in love with the packaging on this one. This is a Christian Dior hand balm, and it is in the pink rubber encasing so you can clip it onto your purse. So I did end up purchasing that because I thought it was so unique. I love tigers and cats, so this was kind of expensive. This, I believe, was like $83, but I did get a bunch of freebies and I unboxed everything on the channel, which was absolutely stunning. But I did end up missing out on the Mother's Day packaging. I thought I did click on it, but I guess it's kind of like a first come, first serve. Here was the other item I did purchase. This was the bronzer, and it is absolutely beautiful. It's very gorgeous quality. I would recommend, but this one also is, I believe, on the pricier side. It's $55, but this is also another kind of collector's item that I would use well after the powder is gone, because I would use this as a compact or just display item because it is so gorgeous. And it says Christian, my name is Christina. It's kind of close, so that's probably another reason why I like it. The next few items I did get were from the Wet n Wild collection. They of course came out with some new stuff and I had to partake in some of it, and the first two were lip oils. It is a Patrick and a SpongeBob lip oil. I thought they were so cute. I probably will unbox them on my other channel. I have like a miniature channel, and it's more geared towards things of this nature where I will be like unboxing like girlier swatches. And then I did get a mascara. This is what that looks like. It's waterproof. It's cute. It's okay. I'm not saying that it's fantastic, but I wanted a waterproof mascara, so I figured I would try it. And then there is the SpongeBob eyeliner in black. It has a actual tip there, which is cute. There it is. It does this wing. Here it is on my eye. I did use this today, but not all the way. I only like stamped the edge just a little bit, and then I did use a different eyeliner, but this eyeliner is cute. I do like it. I'm going to continue to use it until it runs out because it does work. The next thing I did get was from the dollar store. It is a lip gloss. I felt like this was probably a dupe to something. What is a dupe to? I don't know. If you're aware of it, please let me know in the comments. Another makeup item that I did get for my birthday was from my best friend. These were from the Minecraft series for NYX, and we had gone to see that with my son, and it's very cute. It was nostalgic, like the dog in the movie was really cute, and we thought it was adorable, so she ended up getting me the dog, and that was really adorable. And then there was like this green highlighter that was really cool. It's like silvery greenish, very beautiful. So they are unique. I have the blush on today. I want to play with this one at a different time to maybe do some like highlighter looks in my eyes, or maybe some fun highlight on my cheek one day if I'm doing like maybe like a purple eye or something. She also did get me this, which was really cute. This was one of those attachable things to your Stanley where you could put your lipstick in. So love that so much. I did end up also getting, when I went out to Lido Key at Long Beach Key, actually is Long Beach, I always forget, but St. Armand's, they have these shops that are just so cute, and I ended up picking up 2 of these miniature little cups, which I thought were so adorable. I have a fetish for small cups. I don't know what that's about, but I just like small things in general. That's why I have a minis channel. They're so adorable to me. And speaking on minis, these were 2 other things that are a part of the haul. I thought they were just so adorable, and they will be unboxed on my other channel. They are just little keychains to be able to put on the ends of your purse, which I, again, absolutely adore. Next up, for makeup items from the dollar store, was this really sparkly lip gloss that I thought was so pretty, and I hope it comes out nice. I mean, it was $1. I did also get this cleansing oil. I wanted to try it out, again, being as though it was $1, and I see all these cleansing oil beads on shorts all the time, so I wanted to try the cleansing oil without having to splurge a ton on like individual beads. And then I did, from the dollar store, get these knockoffs from Caboodles. They are $1.25 for both of them. That is an absolute steal, so I had to pick those up. This I would love to throw in my beach bag, and when I go hunting for shells, put my shells in here so they don't crunch or get destroyed. And then I did end up picking up another tube top from that store where I got these. Actually, they sell clothes as well, and I thought that tube top was just so beautiful. I adore the color, and it was ribbed, so I did end up picking that up. I also get gifted these, and I thought they were so beautiful and perfect to include in this haul. They are some Havanas, I think that's what they're called, and they are pink flip-flops with some flowers on them. I was gifted them for my birthday for my mother, so I fell in love with those. So another great addition to the flip-flop family. I should throw some of my flip-flops away, to be honest. Next up, I did pick this up from Ross, surprisingly, and it is the cutest Playboy bunny skirt. It has love, peace, and bunnies on it. At first, I thought it was like pink, but it's not, like Victoria's Secret, because it also has peas on it, but that's actually the Playboy. And I fell in love. It's like embossed on the jeans. So these were $20, and it's very short, but nonetheless, I think they're absolutely adorable. So that is what that ended up looking like. And then one of the other things I did purchase from Five and Below, because I love me a pink Care Bear, was a Care Bear glass, and I will be drinking my coffee in this at some point this week. It's so cute. And last up, I think this is the last thing, is a pink strawberry reed diffuser. I did end up buying that from, I think it was Ross, and it was on sale for $6.50, so I had to do it. And I will be reusing this after for any type of like flowers or whatever, and it's just so cute. It is supposed to be pink strawberry flavored, and I'll be using that in my beauty room. That actually wasn't the last thing I got. The last thing I did get was from Five and Below. I am on a strawberry kick because strawberry has been my favorite since forever. This is a strawberry candle from Five and Below that I did get strawberry milk. It smelled really good to me, so I did end up picking that up for my room, and that would conclude this girly haul. I hope everybody enjoyed it. If you did, again, consider subscribing. I do all kinds of different things on my channel, and if you have any suggestions on anything that you would like me to talk about, any reviews on any of the items, I hope everybody enjoyed this video, and until the next time, guys, thank you so much for joining me today. Bye, guys. Love you so much.